What's up, guys? It's another episode of AR Fishing. I'm with my girlfriend here, and we are going to try to hit Causey Reservoir. So hopefully we can get on the fish and get out there.
Oh yeah, you guys are dead now. Got him!
We are set up here at Causey. There's a lot of slush on the ice. I'd say there's almost an inch of water on the ice. Once you start walking, it's pretty gross and nasty and really cold. But we're out here for a little bit. We'll try it for a minute and see if we can't get into some fish. But the slush is really bad. We got my girlfriend over here. She's setting in the sled in the bucket so that she can keep her feet warm. And hopefully we can get into some fish. But although there's about an inch of water on the ice is about 7 to 8 inches thick, I'd say. So there's plenty of ice, just a lot of slush on the water.
Hello, fish people of the world. I'm out here on Causey. I've caught like 4,026 fish. And it's negative 9 million degrees currently. Ryan is trying to put a new propane on the heater.
What's up?
And don't get me wrong, this is the best day of my life, but I would not recommend this.
Nice. Fish on.
Oh, it jumped!
Oh! What?
Is he still on there?
Yeah, he's on there. Let's see what we got, folks. Yeah.
Look at him.
Yeah.
Ryan wanted me to show you guys our setup. So we got this little dingadoo here. It has a pink head and a white body and some icky worms on the bottom. But the proper term is a dingaladoo. So if you use dingaladoos, you're bound to catch them all.
Good job.
Come on, Doodle Bob. Get up here.
Yeah.
Look at that dude. Oh, I can't grab him. Oh! Just go back in the hole. Okay. As I drop down. Yeah.
Oh yeah. Hold it up for the camera.
Oh, maybe, if I can. I got one.
Nice.
So we're about to wrap up the day fishing here at Causey. He caught 2 fish, I caught 3, so I'm a little bit better than him. But we'll see what happens in the next video, see if we can catch up. See you guys next time.